Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter, elasticity of demand. In the previous chapter we have discussed about demand and some terms related with demand. In under law of demand we have discussed about the relationship between demand and price, and we know there is negative relationship between price and demand. It means if there is increase in price, there is decrease in demand and vice versa. So it states, law states qualitative relationship, that is type of relation, positive or negative. So there is negative relationship between price and demand, but it does not tell that how much change is there in demand due to change in factors affecting demand. So this change is described with the help of elasticity of demand. So in this chapter we will discuss about quantitative relationship between price and demand. It means how much change is there in the demand due to change in price or some other factors. So it tells how much change is there in the demand due to the change in factor affecting demand. So first of all, definition of elasticity of demand. It refers to percentage change in demand due to percentage change in factor affecting demand for a commodity. You can write a formula also in this way. Elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in demand upon percentage change in factor affecting demand. So elasticity of demand means change in demand due to factors. So it could be price, it could be price of related goods, it could be income and some other factor. So when we are discussing about price, it means PED, price elasticity of demand. It means change in demand due to price, that is known as price elasticity of demand. It tells that how much change in quantity demanded is there due to change in price. So PED, elasticity of demand means change in demand, price means due to price. So we can measure PED with the help of percentage method. We have two methods, percentage and geometric method, but geometric method is not in your syllabus. So we will do only one method, that is percentage method. So let's see how will you find out elasticity of demand with the help of percentage method. There is formula, that is PD is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Or you can write the definition also. It refers to same percentage change in quantity demanded due to percentage change in price. So you will put minus here. Why? Because out of these two, one term will be in negative or one term will be in positive form. Why? Because there is negative relationship between price and demand. So to calculate PED is always in positive and absolute value. That's why you will put minus sign. So automatically वो कट हो जाएगा ये value से and you will get absolute and positive value. Okay. So let's see one example. The quantity demanded increased by 50% due to 25% fall in price. Find PED. So PED is equal to, you will write first of all formula, that is minus percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. So change in quantity demanded 50% and change in price is 25%. So you will write here first change in quantity demanded 50% upon change in price, that is 25%. But change in price there is fall. Fall means minus, negative, decrease, or increase means positive. So minus minus cut हो जाएगा and when you will cut this we have 2. So PED is equal to 2, or you can write elasticity of demand is equal to 2. So it shows that there is 2 times change in demand due to change in price. Clear? Let's see second example. Demand rises from 50 units to 100 units due to fall in price from rupees 20 to 15 rupees. Find out PED. So in this question, demand and price, change in demand and change in price is not given in percentage form. Okay. So now what will you do? Here we have two options. One, we can convert this information in the percentage form. We will find out percentage change in demand, percentage change in price. Or second, we can use another formula that is known as proportionate method. So let's see what it means. Percentage method can be converted into proportional method. Let's see how. The formula of percentage method is percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. This is the formula of percentage method. Now how will you convert it into proportionate method? Let's see. First, percentage change in quantity demanded. How will you calculate change in demand? Percentage change in demand. The formula is change in quantity demanded upon initial quantity into 100. And how will you calculate change in quantity demanded? That is new quantity minus original quantity, Q1 minus Q. And similarly, percentage change in price. The formula will be change in price upon initial price into 100. Again, change in price, you can write like this, P1 minus P. How will you calculate change in price? That is new price minus original price. Clear? So now put these values in this formula, percentage formula. So percentage change in quantity demanded is change in quantity demanded upon original quantity or initial quantity into 100. So change in quantity we can write like this, Q1 minus Q upon Q into 100. Upon, similarly change in price, that is P1 minus P upon original price into 100. So when you will solve this, 100 cut jayega. So we have minus, so Q1 minus Q you can write like delta Q, and upon Q means original quantity, divide by P1 minus P, that is delta P. Delta is a sign of change, okay, upon P, original price. So when you will convert this divide sign into multiply, so we will write like delta Q upon Q into P upon delta Q. So we have this formula. So you need to learn this second formula. You will write this formula if the information is given in rupees and units. Then you can find out PED with the help of proportion method. So formula, learn the formula, minus delta Q upon delta P, that is change in quantity upon change in price, into price upon quantity. This P means original price, this Q means original quantity, means initial price or quantity. Clear? So this way we have two formulas, one percentage and second is proportionate. Now let's see how will you use this formula. So according to question, demand increased from 50 units to 100 units due to falling price from 20 rupees to 15 rupees. Whenever you have a question in rupees and units, better to make a table. So we will draw one table and with two columns, price and quantity demanded. So price, first initial price is 20 rupees and it falls from 20 to 15 rupees. So 20 is original price, initial price P, and 15 is new price, that is P1. Demand rises from 50 units to 100 units. So 50 is original quantity, initial quantity, and 100 is new quantity, that is Q1. So P, P1, Q, Q1. Clear? All these terms. Now let's see how to calculate change in demand. So delta Q, formula is Q1 minus Q, new quantity minus original quantity. So new quantity is 100 minus initial quantity, that is 50. 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. So delta Q is equal to 50. Similarly, we will find out delta P. Delta P means change in price. Formula is P1, new price minus old price, that is original price. So new price is 15 minus original initial price is 20. 15 minus 20, we have minus 5. Okay, because here there is decrease in prices. So minus 5, change in price. Clear? And P means original price, initial price, that is 20, and Q means original or initial quantity, that is 50. So we need these four terms, P, Q, delta P, delta Q. Now put the values in the formula. First of all, you will write the formula. PED is equal to minus delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. So delta Q, that is change in quantity, 50 upon delta P, that is change in price, minus 5 into P, original price 20, original quantity 50. When you will put the values, solve this, and we have 4. Clear? So when you will divide, multiply with each other, we have 4. So PED is equal to 4. Clear? So this way you will solve the question, and this numerical is very, very important. You will get one numerical from this chapter. Clear? Thank you.